you guys? What's up? What's up? So you guys already know this is gonna be a really easy wig video. Y'all seen I put some respect on that title, RPG show. Put some respect on their name. They always come through. And you guys, every time I do a video for either them or my first wig girl, I just don't have no headaches. It's just like a really easy process. It's just like smooth sailing. Okay. So with that being said, we're gonna just jump into this video. So RPG show is the bomb diggity bomb. Okay, bomb diggity bomb. Let me not say bomb too much on the internet because they might think something else. And the girl is not trying to be demonetized, kicked off, video yanked, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like RPG show is always a slay because you ain't really gotta do nothing. All I did was wash the wig. I didn't pluck it. I didn't bleach it. I just washed it. I only washed it because I did want a little bit more curl in it. And it's like a wavy type of pattern, like loose curl. It's gorgeous. 14 inches. This is from their lifestyle collection, honey, which is, like an easy wig lifestyle. Something you could definitely put on. You don't really have to do much to, like style, profile. But you always want to profile, profile, look good. I'm just saying. But, they always have like the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. So, girl, okay. So, look, it already comes pre-bleached for you. You can definitely choose that option if you want it light or heavy. Girl, the hairline be looking so natural, like you don't have to pluck it. Sometimes I do, but even if I don't pluck it, it's still going to look natural as possible. You're lucky that they always come with, well, you ain't lucky, but a lot of wig companies don't do this, but you always have a great black elastic band. So that way, if you want your wig to sit flat, flush, tight as possible, then you do have the option with this. Along with, you still have the combs and the straps in the nape, you know what I mean? Came freshly done like this, so you can see lightly bleached, but they did a really good job. And the lace is always meltable. It is their Swiss tinted lace. So, you know what I mean? You don't really have to do much of anything. They have you hooked up, prepared. You only got to go to one-stop shopping with them and you good. From flat irons, hot combs, girls, they got you covered. Let's get into this wig tutorial, boo. Okay?
Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh, baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
Your number, baby, I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Is you riding on a team? Got what you need, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush.
All right, you guys, what I tell y'all. Super duper easy. Like this wig, it was easy. Okay, lifestyle.